Hey friends, it's Becca and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be painting a mural, but not just any type of mural. I'm going to be doing a GUCCI mural. Yes, I said it, a GUCCI mural, right behind me on this wall. So make sure you stay to the end of the video so you can see how absolutely amazing it comes out. You need to measure the wall, okay? So for example, so with those measurements, I took it and I put it on the computer. So I used Photoshop, for example. You could use pretty much any other design program, but Photoshop is pretty much the easiest and to use in this situation. So I just simply grabbed a vectorized pattern and then I just copy and pasted that and I put it onto Photoshop. And then I just duplicate it to fill up the space until how I wanted it to look. Step 3, printing and going to your local FedEx. FedEx printing services gives you an option where you take the image, right? You crop it, and then what you do is you send that image to them and then they print it out. So after you print it out, you're able to cut it out and you kind of create your own stencil. Step 4, cutting out the stencil. Step 5, grabbing the stencil, putting on the wall, and drawing out each logo by hand. Next, step 6. Paint each individual logo by hand and make it perfect. I can't stop seeing GUCCI. Literally, I'm seeing GUCCI everywhere. Okay, so I'm running into a bit of an issue. The ladder that I have reaches all the way to the top. However, trying to angle where it's safe for me to get on top and to climb up there seems pretty unsafe. So I'm trying to be creative and figuring out how to get up on the ladder safely, position the ladder safely, and to reach all the way to the top to continue the GUCCI mural. Video. I hope you learned a lot of great tips and tricks and techniques that you can utilize to create any other type of logo that you like to kind of implement in your room. You could replicate this with any other type of image. It's not too difficult. So thank you so much for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and comment. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Any other maybe tips or tricks, techniques that I didn't mention in the video that you think that'll be useful for the audience. I would love to hear your feedback. So make sure you comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.